Hi friends, this video contains two parts. First part is characteristics or features of management, and second part is significance and importance of management. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Characteristics or features of management. Management is an activity. It is a process of organized activity which is concerned with the efficient use of resource of production. Management is a purposeful activity because it is concerned with the achievement of objective or set of objectives through the functions such as planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Management is concerned with the efforts of a group for which it inspires and motivates workers to put forth their efforts to maximum extent. Management is getting things done. According to Coons and O'Donnell, management is an art of getting things done through and with the people in formally organized group. Management involves decision making. Decision making means selecting the best alternative course of action. Management coordinates all activities and resources because it is concerned with the coordination of all activities and resources through its various functions to attain the stated objectives. Management is a universal activity because techniques and tools of management are universally applicable. Management is an integrating process. It integrates men, machines, and material for achieving the objectives of the organization. Management is intangible because it cannot be seen with the eyes, but it is evidenced by the quality of the organization and result of increased productivity and increased morale of subordinates. Management is both a science and an art. Management is a science because it has developed certain principles and law which are applicable to any group activity. It is an art because it concerned with the application of knowledge for the solution to organizational problems. Management is a profession because there are established principles which are being applied in practice. And also, managers require specialized knowledge, training and experience from recognized institutes. Management is an interdisciplinary approach. It is a body of knowledge or discipline, takes the help of other social sciences like psychology, sociology, anthropology, engineering, mathematics, etc. Management is a system of authority. It is a process of directing men to perform a task and get it done from others. Management is dynamic, not static, because it adapts itself to the social changes and also introduces innovation in methodology. Significance and importance of management. Management encourages initiative. Initiative means to do the right thing at the right time without being told or influenced by the superior. Management encourages innovation. Innovation brings new ideas, new technology, new method, new product, new services, etc. This makes the organization more competitive and efficient. Management facilitates growth and expansion. It makes optimal utilization of available resources, reduces wastage and increase efficiency. All these result in growth, expansion and diversification of the business. Management improves life of workers. It provides the workers with a good working condition and environment. It also improves the quality of life of the workers. Management improves corporate image. If the management is good, then the organization will produce good quality goods and services. This improves the goodwill and corporate image of the organization. Management motivates employees by providing financial and non financial incentives. This results in boosting productivity and profitability of the organization. Management helps to optimum utilization of resources. It brings together the available resources for optimum utilization for providing best result to the organization. Management reduces wastage. It reduces the wastage of human, material, and financial resources by proper production planning and control. Management increases efficiency. Efficiency is the relationship between returns and cost. Higher efficiency brings many benefits to the organization. Management improves relations. It improves relation between individuals, groups, departments, and various levels of management. Management reduces absenteeism and employees turnover. Absenteeism means the employee is absent from job without permission. Labor turnover means the employee leaves the organization. Both absenteeism and employee turnover create many problems in the smooth functioning of the organization. Management encourages teamwork. It encourages employees to work as a team. It develops a team spirit and unity among the employees in the organization, which brings success to the organization. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.